Hello, you want a new cosplay this week? You got it, honey. Let's work on a cosplay for Bowsy.
Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about cosplay. I teach you tutorials on how to make the outfit, how to do the makeup so you can become the character of your dreams. Today's cosplay is not a cosplay for me, it's for my dog Bowser. Previously on my channel, we've turned Bowser into Bowser, Bowsette, Bowser Jr., and Ivysaur. Now, today's cosplay is a very quick and easy one. It is Duck Hunt from Smash Brothers. You can go from Smash Brothers Brawl to Smash 4 and Smash Ultimate. Me being a very big Smash fan, I definitely love playing Duck Hunt. He's actually one of my secondary mains, which means that I play him off the chance that I know that someone's really good at my main, so I play him as a backup character. This cosplay is really easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. It's very short and have lots of Bowser content. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for coming in and welcome. So you can never miss out on any future cosplay content by clicking that red button down below. You know what time it is? Tutorial time! Ah!
We are going to be using this duck. Woo! This is a dog toy. I'm going to use this leftover blue material. I don't exactly know what it is, but it's stretchy and it shouldn't hurt my dog. Alright, so we want to go ahead and get this taken off. Cut duck free. And we're going to take off all these extra. So now we got to figure out how we can attach him to my dog's collar. So 24 inches. Go get it! Now knowing my dog's size, I'm going to measure that out on the piece of fabric and fold over about 2 inches to create a really nice wide collar and cut it all out. I then sewed it together to create a tube for the base of the collar. I inverted that tube and then top stitched it down so it laid nice.
This looks so big on you. I'm sorry. Do you like it?
We have to be able to see your neck, honey. We're going to fold this in half and sew it to be smaller. Oh, that looks so much better. Do you like it? I've marked it right here. And now I'm going to cut off the rest and then add it into this part. And then we're going to probably have to hand stitch it because my sewing machine can't fit this part. So I'm going to hand stitch this in. So now what we want to do is attach the duck to the neckband. But you know, the duck doesn't actually fit onto the neckband and we don't want it to be sewn there permanently. So we're going to use some extra scrap fabric that we cut off from the original band to sew a strap for the duck to be on it. Using a needle and thread, I'm going to attach this piece of fabric onto the collar piece. The reason why I'm hand sewing this instead of using the machine is because I can barely fit all of this material underneath the presser foot. So it's just easier for me to tack it down very nice and secure using an overlock stitch onto the collar. I'm going to be sewing down one side first and then re-measuring with the duck. Luckily, this fabric is very stretchy, so I'm going to stretch it across the duck, making sure that it is very nice and snug so it does not come out of the collar. I'm going to keep the fabric nice and taut around the duck and slowly stitch it in place, making sure I don't sew the duck into this little part. Once I have sufficient stitches in place, I'm removing the duck and sewing down the rest of the fabric. Now, once I'm done and I secure it off with a nice knot, go ahead and cut off your thread and cut off your remnant fabric piece. Now you can put your duck in and out of the collar piece. To put it on Bowser and call this cosplay done. Duck Hunt! Duck Hunt, Bowser! Hi, Duck Hunt. You ready to go smash? Hi, Duck Hunt. Duck Hunt Duo! Duck Hunt.
It's already over. And we love how Bowser looks. If you have any questions, let me know with a comment down below. This was a super simple tutorial. I feel like some of my videos are very long, and I'm kind of sorry about that, but I don't want to oversimplify things. If you have any other ideas about cosplay projects for the future, leave them in a comment. Can you hear my jinglies? I hope you guys are having a good time during these hard, dark days. It's very bright in Denmark right now, so it's not really dark right now. I live in Denmark. I decided to wear this today. Is it cute? Is it cute? So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video today and a lot of footage of my cute little dog. Remember to subscribe, check out some of the other videos floating around my head, and remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!